What altcoins am I buying right now? The markets are red, as you guys can see, and the markets are going to continue going red here. I'm going to be showing you what altcoins I believe I'm going to be buying here in the short term that are going to be low risk, in my personal opinion. They'll have lots of potential to make some decent returns, in my personal opinion, for my portfolio. So make sure you stick to the end of that. I'm going to show you my strategy on what I'm going to be doing by visualizing and looking at Bitcoin's chart. Where do I believe the bottom is going to be in? So I'll be sharing that with you guys as well, guys. I'm Blockchain Crusader, crusading through these blockchains every single day. So let's get right into it. First up, we're going to be covering Bitcoin's chart here. I'm going to show you my strategy. So Bitcoin has lost the previous month point of control here in May, right? We came down, and then this white line is also the April point of control. Lots of trading volume here. Lots of trading volume, as you guys can see here in this node, right? Look at this volume node. Completely lost this. And once again, we're heading towards that $63,000 level, which has also been retested here multiple times. Lots of volume happening here. If this area is lost, there is a daily untapped level here, as you guys can see, represented by this yellow line, which all it means is we came to this point one time at 58,000, and since then we have never revisited this level to rebalance the books here. Right? So 58,000. I've been dollar cost averaging since we lost 70,000 on the way down slowly, right? And I will continue to dollar cost average if we lose this 63,000 and heading toward 58. But what am I going to be dollar cost averaging? What altcoins am I going to be picking up, which I believe are going to be low risk in my personal opinion, but still have some decent, juice behind them to make some decent gains? First up here is going to be Avalanche. Very easy choice in my personal book. They have a very limited supply of they are very low priced right now, under $30, right? I believe, and obviously if Bitcoin drops to 58,000 or lower, this is going to keep dropping as well. And with that being said, I will continue to dollar cost average here because I personally believe that Avalanche is easily $100 to $150 layer one crypto here, and obviously it could go a lot higher than that. So picking it up at below $30, I'm going to be personally dollar cost averaging all day, every day. That's not financial advice, not telling you to do that. Another one here, another easy pick in my book is Chainlink. Chainlink under $20 all day, every day for my personal book. I will be dollar cost averaging. I've been dollar cost averaging Chainlink since $16 and on the way down from $16. And if Bitcoin does drop to 58,000 or lower, right? Bitcoin could drop lower. I will continue to pick up Chainlink. And if I can pick up Chainlink anywhere near $10 or less, let's freaking go. Because Chainlink, in my personal opinion, last bull market got around to $50, give or take. This is definitely going to be getting a lot closer to that $100 mark, give or take, in my personal opinion, because of the simple fact of how much is actually being built on it now. Real world assets, the CCIP, Chainlink staking, right? All the different things that are being built on Chainlink now, all the interoperability that Chainlink is providing, right? They even talking about Swift system, everything that XRP was talking about, they're talking about it with Chainlink now. So Chainlink has definitely stepped up its game, and the CCIP upgrade has definitely changed the tokenomics situation that they were having, which makes it a lot more bullish in my personal opinion. And I still believe, obviously, this is a very low risk nonetheless, but low risk play in my personal book. So what's next here on the book is going to be Polkadot. Polkadot, and not the polka dots you put on your bikinis, ladies and gentlemen. Polkadot, I believe, is going to be another big mover here. They're also getting involved with real world assets. They're also having their, Polkadot 2.0 upgrade. They're rechanging up their entire structure of their relay chains and how all that works, right? I'm not going to be breaking any of that down in this video. That's not what this video is about. So I will be picking up Polkadot because I believe I have my Polkadot price prediction video out there, linking right above here right now. If you guys can go see it, I have a price prediction for Polkadot, and I think Polkadot could go just shy of its previous all-time high. So I don't even think it's going to break all-time highs, but it could. Maybe real-world assets really pop off and, things change. But with inflation and all that stuff that I break down in my Polkadot price prediction video, I do believe that Polkadot can get very close to its previous all-time high, and that's around $50, like 40 something to $50 with its all-time high. So I believe it's going to get very close to that once again, and that's a decent, very decent move from where we're at right now. Low risk play once again in my personal book. So I will be dollar cost averaging Polkadot. I have been dollar cost averaging Polkadot under $7, and I will continue to buy here on Bitcoin drops below. So Next one on the list, I got this one and one more. Make sure you stick to the end here. You're probably going to like the last one for sure. Render. Render. Leading the DPIN narrative in this bull market, being a huge narrative overall. Render under 10 bucks. I also have a price prediction video for Render that I posted 3 months ago, give or take at this point, maybe a little bit longer, that I believe Render is going to be heading somewhere towards the $45 area, give or take. I don't remember the exact price prediction that I gave it. I always give 3 different cases: my base, my bullish, and my ultra FOMO. So I don't remember what all 3 cases were, but I believe it's somewhere around the $40 range. That being said, Render leading the DPIN, low risk play, right? Because of the high amount of narrative that is being led behind the DPIN narrative, Render being pretty much the leading player in that narrative. High market cap, but still has a lot of room to run. Being under $10 right now, I have been dollar cost averaging Render under $10, and I will continue to buy Render, especially if Render goes under $7 with the potential dip down to 58,000 for Bitcoin. And now, for the last but not least, if you haven't smashed those likes, hit that subscribe. Definitely do so. I'm Blockchain Crusader, crusading through these blockchains every single day. The last one here is, that's right, guys, it's Ando. Ando. I've been buying Ando since 29 cents. I bought Ando below $1. I bought Ando just recently at $1.08. If Bitcoin drops below, if you guys don't know what Ando is, it's pretty much one of the leading names right now in real world assets, being worked with BlackRock and their Buildo asset fund and tons of things that they're doing. So Ando is literally the biggest player with BlackRock and real world assets happening right now. So I will be dollar cost averaging Ando. I have an Ando price prediction out there as well. Probably going to be linking it above here somewhere. Go check it out on my profile. I posted it like 3-4 months ago. I believe Ando is going to do very, very good. And if Ando drops to $1 or even below $1, I'm going to be loading up the truck for Ando. That's me personally. I'm not telling you guys to go buy any of these. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just telling you what I'm personally doing in my personal strategy. If Ando goes below $1, Ando's been holding up its price action very, very well here. But if it goes below $1, I will be loading up the truck for Ando. And if we get even close to $1, I will be dollar cost averaging. Like I said, the last time I bought Ando was at $1.08. If we get near that level again, I will continue to dollar cost average. It all depends on Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin pulls back, we're going to see the altcoins drop, right? And as we're seeing right now, Bitcoin continues slowly dropping. Maybe we don't make it to 58,000, which is the reason why I'm dollar cost averaging, right? I'm dollar cost averaging right now on these altcoins because there's no guarantee that we're going to go here. Anything can happen tomorrow, right? The rumor of the Ethereum ETFs launching on July 2nd is around. If that happens, things can go crazy and things can go right back up. But before now and then, maybe we do drop, maybe we don't. I don't know. That's right. Nobody has a crystal ball. That's why I dollar cost average is the only strategy that works long term. And I am a long-term investor. So that is the strategy that I'm implementing for my personal portfolio. If we do continue to go down, I will dollar cost average. If we had the massive spike back up and rally, at least I picked up some more altcoin bags and I loaded up my bags before things run. I don't buy green candles. I don't buy the pumps. I buy the red days. And guys, I'm going to be dropping a video here soon about 2 altcoins that are actually meme coins that I am dollar cost averaging at this moment. I'm actually dollar cost averaging these meme coins because I believe they have a long-term play. I will be dropping it in my next video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Like always, guys, Blockchain Crusader, crusading through these blockchains. Until next time, see ya.